Wade's the slave boy.
Let a bunch of them come.
Yeah, you only need like 1 or 2 up there. You don't need 6 like last time. They're little gremlins. They're hungry. That's way too far away. You're a knucklehead. Oh! Oh! He's smart. He just showed you up so bad.
Be patient, Brendan.
Oh, he doesn't have any more gold.
Wade, come and get your ration.
Wait, they're over here.
Cold fish.
Put some on his dick. I like the people that are just watching Wade. No, too far. Too far. Put him right next to him. He's baiting us. Oh, someone's good. Who's gonna do it? Or another one. Oh, come on! No!
Put a couple.
Put like 4 or 5. Pull it on his face. Put a bunch they have to stop and peck at him.
They're not going to know which one to grab if you put a bunch.
Throw it at his face.
Put like 3.
Oh, come on! Too far.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh man. I can't even contain.
Just walk up. I know.
Brennan,
Get him!
Oh.
we need more.
Wait, walk up.
Oh, that's like a whole sandwich.
Get him!
Oh my god. Take your pick.
What are you waiting for? No!